let's talk about one of the most deadly animals in the world. This guy, the black-footed cat, who has one of the absolute highest hunting success rates in the entire world, and therefore is one of the most deadly animals, and is also just a little guy. The black-footed cat is a type of tiny wildcat that is native to a few dry, arid areas in Africa, including South Africa, Namibia, and Botswana. And before you ask, it is pet-shaped, it is friend-shaped, but it is not a pet. You cannot pet it. Even though you really probably want to, it is not a pet. They typically prey on anything they can get their claws into, including small mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians, and have a success rate of about 14 kills per night. Their hunting statistics, they attempt a kill approximately every 30 minutes and are successful about 60% of the time. If you compare that to a lion, a much better known predator, the lions have a success rate of about 20% of the time. This little guy is over twice as successful as generally a pride of lions at hunting. They are pretty much the best mammalian hunter in the world. Now, they need to do this because they have incredibly high energy requirements, which is, again, another reason that they do not make good pets, because they are incredibly active animals. They are nocturnal, so active at night, and during the time that they're active, they're moving and hunting and doing stuff pretty much constantly. So they have a very high metabolism and a very high rate of energy use, which is why they need to be hunting so much to keep up with that incredibly high metabolism. This results in them having to kill and eat around 14 or so other things per night in order to keep up with their energy needs. Now, while not classified as endangered yet, they are vulnerable, so there are conservation efforts, even though this is not an endangered species spotlight segment. This one in particular is named Gaia, and she's a new institution at the Utah Zoo, hopefully to establish a new breeding population. And she is also just a little guy.